Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change email on Facebook. Sometime you change your mobile phone or you create a new email account and you want to change your current email account to new email account. So I'm gonna tell you how you can change your email address in Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up Facebook app on your mobile phone. So after opening a Facebook app on your mobile phone, you guys have to tap on the top right corner of option button. So here after tapping on options, now you guys have to just scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. So in setting and privacy, now you guys have to tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, now you guys have to just scroll down and here you have to just tap on profile details. So after tapping on profile details, now you guys have to just tap on edit button at the front of contact info. So here you guys have to just tap on manage contact info. So here after tapping on edit info, now you guys have to just tap on add new contact. And here you guys have to tap on add email. And in this way you guys have to just put a new email here and Facebook will send OTP to your current email address on Facebook. After approving the OTP, you guys can easily change your Facebook email. That's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.